Welcome everyone. Today in this video we'll be discussing about ecosystem. Ecosystem basically means interaction between plants, animals and microorganisms with their surrounding environment, and together they all work as a functional unit. These things are also known as components of ecosystem, and we can classify all the components of ecosystem into two types. The first one is biotic or living component, then second one is abiotic or non-living components. Biotic components are basically plants, animals, insects, microorganisms along with human beings. Abiotic components are sunlight, water, wind, soil, rocks, etc. Now let's see how these components of ecosystem are interlinked with each other. That means interaction of these components. For an example, when plants, that means biotic component, produce food with the help of abiotic component, for example by taking water and mineral from the soil, then carbon dioxide from atmosphere, then after with the help of sunlight they produce food. That means all the raw materials are obtained from abiotic component. Then this food is consumed by biotic components like insects, animals, and when after few years these biotic components die, then they are decomposed by microorganisms and thereafter they mix with the soil. So that means the biotic components, that means plants, animals, they turn into abiotic component after mixing with the soil. Hence in this way these components are interacted or interlinked with each other. Let's see some other examples of interaction of these components. Animals, basically biotic components, cannot live without abiotic component like water and oxygen from atmosphere. In the same way abiotic components are also dependable upon biotic component. Suppose if in a certain place there is abundance of plants and trees, that means there would be a lot of transpiration of water through the leaves of trees. Henceforth there would be much more cloud formation and there would be much more rainfall. That means the water level of that particular area will be rich. In this way biotic and abiotic components of ecosystem are interrelated to each other in many ways. All the ecosystems can vary in size and type based on the purpose and objectives they serve, and these ecosystems can classified into two main categories. The first one is terrestrial ecosystem. Terrestrial ecosystem refers to land as distinct from water. For an example, grassland, desert, mountain, forest. And second one is aquatic ecosystem. That means the ecosystem that refers to water bodies as distinct from land. For an example, lake, river, wetland, then coral reef, oceans, etc. So that's all in this video. On next video we'll be discussing about the structure of ecosystem. Till then, stay home, stay safe.